not even Kufuor. Projects are commission 81 schools. Just one day, another commission 81 schools. Yeah, one day. Interchanges are what Ghana come back. Interchange be a good new Ghana be a MPP ban at the buy.
US dollars. And a Ghana for each year $83. What is so special about Nigeria? And so what's the difference? What are the outliers? It's me raising Ghana for $83. I think if the minister is saying, say, DSTV4 should cut down, I was sure cut it down. So almost share, na said, as some minister no cano. It's ya omumra, it's ya omufa hundiswa. I don't think a Ghana for when I was a coca DSTV4 as a mom. Omo international corporation, omo international court, mostly no, a common in their favor. Into omo coho. So omo friends so na say adwuma na omo ye no omo bebo car. No omo jaya. Say near a company for no fees will be me abano. No waba, no the adwuma no aba beso. I don't think it's the name sister Eka say. A party we are coming from public dissatisfaction. Pensioners sika bondholders na Kufuor issue originally no public ni who say insensitive na ye mom ne say begina as against the public on says decision minister na emotional one o tactical we a political party na wan hwe yie say wo na wo de emra ebeka ama DSTV fo abato onye DSTV fo na beto Ghana fo na beto nti e wo say ye hwe ho no mu yie afei my next point amekoso no madam Tokunu asem no asem yi ba ye mehu say justice Sophia Akuffo ababeka say ade no ye politically motivated asem no me hwe ne NDC abaya ya me I am offended. I will say nke ye benya chief justice you who say onye tilted towards the ruling government. But there are some things are offensive but not sin. Adia government na ye no offensive to me, subjective. Obi also offensive to that person. Nanso decision be obi be make it be there should be a motivation. It could be politically, religiously, socially. And until ye de mra ato say nipa no accuse na say politically or religiously and ye yemfa nko emremu ne yemfa ntoto mra ne ho say emra no gitum say wedifo no matter the motivation say emra no gitum say wedibim no matter the motivation Tokunu koye no ye the three charges ne ball no. 1 abuse of office, 2 misconduct in handling judicial appointments, 3 misconduct in handling transfer. Yema Tokunu kwan. The first one, abuse of office, no. Yes, sika was a Tokunu de bone ho bra no. We dia mana boroso. Na kwan be na ofa so di boroso. Yes, we call holidays. First one, we ne ukunu ko Tanzania. Ne ni kwan say state no ebo ukunu ho ka, but state ni bo ukunu ho ka. Second one, we de oba ko USA. Ne ni kwan say state ni tua pede am ma no. Ampa state ni tua pede am ma no. Ye busa ma me Tokunu say state no etua pede ma oba no. Wo say ane na I'm ready to disburse it back, and I said to pay it back. What it means in say travel report bra o say nia stay asem na omo kan ye no say wetua pede mama oba no wa di atum say wo pese otua ne back no still o the letter call say it is against your right, or the action you took was within your right, but the issue is if there was no if you wanted to fix something, it means it was broken. And so why already say now bet this person in back. What it means is say what koye bibia na enye and unti na we and say obe amending it back. And see I'm running na a bed say I'm powasam na o kan edimu anase enim. What you per diem na ampa what you per diem no. The next one you say abuse of office in handling transfers. Before say me call a hono. The second one was abuse of mishandling of appointment. Nano then now we what share letter ma president and I recommend some judges bia opese ye fa wo ana committee ne say saa de na wo ye no ade say against the constitutional mandatory procedure for appointment ana ye ebusa wo say wo ho asem te say wo say you think what you did was within your right although it breaches the constitutional mandatory procedure no wo response ne say you still think say it was right eno enti committee no ene tena asem ne so. The next one no ene say handling of transfer na sa transfer na wo ye no committee ne say it is against article 295 clause A and article article 295 clause B nyina what breach no and wo ba ye say wo de response wo be ba no wo response wo de ba ye no ene say wo response wo de ba ye ne say yes, you did that transfer, but this is what you said, though. Or say, in a contextual circumstance, my actions were justified. What it means is that what Diatun said that transfer, no, maybe it was problematic.
X is failing by me. Okay, X are nice or monobacon. Yes, if fan X. Maybe your minimum plan coming could be a man who can't want him. Since mom will be an enemy to us, not guy be a friend, might be a near free old that kind of doctrine. No, a friend must can. He say, a bomb young from Comia campaign my power. Now, almost say, on number fan S on what kind of more back it, nature some mocano, and I'm so, yeah, more campaign my power. No, I, Mum Coson can, So, simple question, fan X. Can the doctrine? The kind of doctrine, Mummy and Fanny X, Mother Mumma, Bobia Mammy, one mother, Monfan X, Mammy, a jay papa and Fanny to me, Samo, Joshua, Mamma, Frank, I may buy some Madame Call, Phobia member, any political, yes, political marquee, Mummy and Fanny X, a man from no comment or Mum from no comment on me. Mummy and Fanny X this year, Amuti, me had a comment section or me, I miss our famina. I brought Mummy and Fanny X, no, I mean, Samo, press the comment section, you produce, now, Fino. Yes, a fan X. X is what I asem. Dr. Ba X not an incophobia asem. Go and fan X. We say 1 million votes. 1 million votes. Eh? We got on a can one call a you. One call a year and enough for the day. Enough for the 0.24%. You know, I did a year. Which is 12 years or say 8 years at you know. Yeah, the better so quite and I saw Dr. Bomia quite in 300 years. No, no, can go and fanco or the Baba Mama 1 million. Yes, X no X in 8 years or checking ye. So, yes, you go and fan X, there be unsweating. Loser, unsweating. Me pe mam correct answer no. Fan X. What if for one go cancel one net year in you the wine. We mass teachers no you no ko you no any you no betimi. Livingstone it say omo no betima be some mathematical you know mathematicians for moy. E ba fa bi ni August Oji any ko you ni amans mumra isia mumra ni friends say me aminua Mr. Noah Boateng ene Mr. Henry Richie munyina mumra mun share ayi nko obi amra ye me fane X no X is 20 years phobia member there be phobia member I'm so wrong homeboy patriotic okay mumra we say there 13.7 years. So when you are running it, the answer is 14 years. Okay, so nipa was here be munyam between there's a fan X. I've heard the winning fan X and conference a fan K. Say you call me as I said, get me on conquer fast so you lose election. I said you get young one. The expose the preca say, aha, I'm refusing teacher preca say, oh, teacher preca and then why you want you, man. teacher prekese na de odi na yi ne border si na nima na prekese so nsa no twere time pa o we dem nsa no ofese no me dobru prekese me nsa no ofese na abrewa prekese nsa no time nsa no time rough so oji ha aja mumra prekese bon an nsa no time yes fan x honorable Ken say videos amode kwa abontene mokobo kire nkofo say omo sorry ntia no kwa be kirikirem ekwa fa so asa video ni course ene no koda afo ni ko video obudie no so wa kirikirem owi no say bre champo say tet 9 pepper yes I said in get as explain yes enti say no MPP delegate no oma dwunu nya hasem young boys na party na asem agogo abrochire obi se prezo Brian Champion na do ko school abrochire ene wutimi di Brian Champion che samam ye se doctor mo a obi bia na adwunu mo ha wo man mu bia na be papa bia no oye bonia ye oninka ye enipa embra wunya mo obi bua no sa nipa no emfa ne nya ba bi nka se njaneda ye mu bia no ntina mo nkofo bi wa ye ntimi ni o matem because ye kai papa ye bi o ma ye ya eya na edin se be kasetia wo mo nkrofo bi won ma ye mo ya na intimi nka bibi nkyerem because papa omutimi be jam live so be di atemba ye kai papa ye omo ye ma ye ya eya na mpese no be kosa tangent no na nke betima ka bebre a kyere wo mo akwai so bi se DK fire mo bro wani bi ene DK fire na no be ka se wona buka Japan kohwini we okotwi eye taxi any family the president of Ghana no DK fire no taxi or UK or and no taxi you see the common sense taxi sad DK fire we just okay on na hwe me nya de we say online TV come abi go omuntimi manage online TV a sabi enipa ka akra bi no a wona bokan Japan ka so otwa nipa nipa obabe 7,000 plus ka no mo say otwa ne ka 1,500 pen nyiska and so no 400 Ghana per month 400 Ghana kwa so me so kwa omuntimi zantua sadi ke fire we mu omugugo be dikan atem yes fan x means that if y take s 8 years then x will take s 13.7 or 6 years which means that Mama di wi no kwa say Julius de bro say so do get you say ni pa ba betwa wie o twa wie a ansana obi nso ba be fa no 4 years so obi be for 4 years no di 4 years no na asa be ka mo be 12 years no na sa ka no de ni asa koto aba no no asa be wini pa no asa be wini eto be wini wie ni e be ko 2 years ni ma eho ene na afedi ye nya kuduro se party ni betima agi power a common sense be no Canada cars na just kapa so na do na say e dia adwen zunzum zunzum our friends as me mlan so me nko me ba omo ba ni mu na me ko omo ba the last time I ko na mo no masa I fresh nya bro it's omo ba ni omo ba afu side obi ani atwo mo yes oh my god man I'm say relax I'm on focus so I'm say relax meba hey and the prekesa for board egu o chire esni mo chochro teacher prekese etibusan for honorable Ken or say delegate me de enemo because ene me koma amuniti no party for say me kasadodo because na me koma mu ene me kasa man party for say me kasadodo na me pese party ne be sere nyesa nkomo magege contract na o mantimi anya nyina nka mebubo mu di ba me penkabom na me dai party no eti me pese me bo obi adi na emmom from 1990 and because of mumunti ma suffer party one up to ne enti se nemre du se wo se Ghana maburu pa adwuma ya ebe na momo so na Ghana maburu nya adwuma ye eti mon tra me one term. Just imagine what a brilliant talk. what a solid Etiabusha for yes fan X Montapi screen let can be Ken. Thank you for that. Nana Ofori, when you have for yes, yeah, dear top boy.